Imagine a city where red buses roll past royal palaces, where cobbled lanes whisper history and timeless charm dances with modern rhythm. Welcome to London, not just a destination, but a world of stories. This is your complete travel guide on how to spend 3 days in the heart of the UK. From iconic sights to hidden gems, breakfast bites to sunset views. Don't forget to subscribe to Wander Beyond Horizons for more global adventures, expert tips, and perfectly planned itineraries. London is waiting. Are you ready to explore? Best time to visit. London welcomes all seasons, but if you're looking for the best months to visit London, late March to early June or September to October are considered the sweet spots in the year to explore the beauty of London. These months offer enchanting views of blooming parks, soft weather, and fewer crowds to enjoy London. In these months, temperatures between 11 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit to 65 Fahrenheit, ideal for outdoor walks. No matter when you come, a light raincoat or umbrella is always a smart companion. After all, it's London. Arrival guide. Landing at Heathrow, Gatwick, or Luton? No worries, London is well connected. Take the Heathrow Express to Paddington in 15 minutes, £25, or the Tube for just £6 and 45 minutes to central London. From Gatwick, the Gatwick Express to Victoria takes 30 mins and costs £20 to £25. Before heading out, grab a local SIM from EE, Vodafone, or 3 at the airport. Around £10 to £20. Now you're connected and ready to explore. Where to stay? London offers multiple stay options for every traveler. If you want to play on a budget, try Wombat's Hostel or YHA Central with dorm beds for £30. For mid-range options, go with Point A Hotel or Hub by Premier Inn from £80 to £120 per night. For luxury, think the Savoy or the Langham, timeless elegance from £450 plus. Wherever you stay near a tube station. It'll make your trip smoother. Getting around London. The London Underground, Tube, is your best friend. Get an Oyster card or use a contactless card. That costs a ride in around £2.80. If you want to enjoy scenic beauty, just invest £1.75 on red buses. Want flexibility? Use Uber or try London's iconic black cabs. To enjoy unique views, try a Thames cruise or rent a Santander cycle for a fresh perspective. Day 1, Royal Icons and River Walks. Let's kick off your London adventure with a classic cozy breakfast at Gale's Bakery, South Kensington. Almond croissant and flat white that costs around you £10 to £15. If you're visiting between April and July, don't miss the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace for free at 11 a.m. Then walk through St. James's Park to enjoy flower beds and lakesides filled with swans and serenity included. Move forward to explore the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Westminster Abbey, in £30. Then marvel at Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament from Westminster Bridge. Don't forget to snap a few from Westminster Bridge for a perfect shot. To fuel yourself, get lunch at the Cinnamon Club Modern with Indian elegance. Try Indian dishes like lamb rogan josh or tandoori chicken in a budget of £25 to £35. In the afternoon, ride the London Eye for panoramic views in the cost £33. Then stroll along the South Bank to enjoy book markets, musicians, riverside magic. When the evening falls, catch a West End musical show in Soho, where iconic musicals like Les Miserables or Hamilton light up the stage in £25 to £80. But be sure to book in advance. Wrap your day with dinner at Dishoom, Covent Garden. Don't miss the Black Doll and Chicken Ruby at the cost of £20 to £30 per person. Now, sleep well, because Day 2 promises more iconic sights, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences. Day 2, culture, and charm. Fuel up at the Breakfast Club in Soho with pancakes and fry-ups in just 12 to 18 pounds. After breakfast, let's visit the British Museum and explore Rosetta Stone and Egyptian mummies for free, but donations are welcome. Then wander through Covent Garden to enjoy the boutiques, street artists, and charm. Stop for lunch at Flatiron and Juicy Steak for £12 plus free popcorn. In the afternoon, visit the Tower of London in £33 to see the crown jewel's 1,000 years of royal history. Then cross the iconic Tower Bridge and enjoy the scenery for free. When evening falls, explore Shoreditch, a vibrant neighborhood with bold street art and buzzing vibes. Snap a pic at Brick Lane and grab drinks and bites at Box Park in £10 to £15 per person. Get your dinner at Smokestack and enjoy brisket, barbecue, and buzz in a friendly budget around £25 to £40. Rest well after a flavorful day because tomorrow brings the final stretch of your London adventure. Day 3. Parks and shopping. After 2 incredible days, Day 3 begins with fresh energy and a hearty London breakfast. At Farm Girl Cafe Notting Hill, try acai bowls and turmeric lattes in a budget around £12 to £20. After a hearty breakfast, browse Portobello Road Market to enjoy the antiques, fashion, street food, £5 to £10. And wander through Notting Hill for pastel-hued photos and charm. In the midday, relax at Hyde Park or Kensington Gardens, peaceful, lush, and free. Take a break for lunch at Serpentine Bar and Kitchen by the lake. It'll cost you around £15 to £25. Now the afternoon comes. Dive into shopping at Oxford Street, Regent Street, and Carnaby. Visit Selfridges and Liberty for window shopping or open wallet from £20 to £200 plus, according to your choice. And when evening comes, end at the Sky Garden with stunning skyline lush views. Its entry is free with advance booking. Enjoy the sunset with a sip of cocktail, £10 to £15. For your final dinner, stop at Padella near Borough Market. Order fresh handmade pasta like peachy cacio e pepe or tagliarini with nduja for £10 to £20. Enjoy a satisfying, authentic Italian dinner. Time to head back. And there you have it, 3 unforgettable days in London, filled with royalty, culture, flavors, and views. Every corner tells a story, every street hides a surprise. But remember, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to Wander Beyond Horizons for more handcrafted guides and dream journeys around the world. Keep traveling, keep discovering, and always keep wandering beyond horizons.